This is the story of a man named Stanley.
Hello everyone, this is Tim, and we're going to be doing a tutorial on periodic table today. So this is what it looks like, and it's very easy. The manual is very self-explanatory. First we're going to copy down some edge work. So we have at least one of every type, that'll be nice. 1 and 1. Lit IND, and the rest is ports. Lit IND, plate parallel, serial, RCA, PS2, RJ. Three, Hotel 9, Golf Zulu 8. Okay, let's take a look at our first periodic table module here. So what you do for this is you write down the 4 pieces of information that it gives you on the module. So that the colors matter for all 4 of these things. So we're going to write down dubnium in yellow, meitnerium in white, number 105 in red, and lithium, this is lithium, number 3 in blue. So a couple of these we can say right away. This one's obvious, it's number 3. You can take a look. I mean, you obviously use the periodic table if you need to. There's different ways to divide the periodic table into sections. There's a color guide here to help you with it, but you can get rid of the colors in case you wanted to highlight things. Like for example, you could highlight the lithium in blue because it's lithium in blue on the thing. So. But yeah, lithium's number 3, so we'll write that down. You're gonna need to find the atomic number for each of the things. So dubnium, right there. It's number 105. Meitnerium, right there. Number 109. Wow, and then we actually got number 105 as well. Right here for this one. So for the one that's a number, you don't need to look anything up. You don't need to even look at the table at all. Just write down the number because it already gives you the. In fact, there's a little emoticon there telling you that yeah, all you need is the number for that one, so you don't need to look it up. Actually, all you need is the number for all of them. So anyway, so let's just follow along the instructions. We're going to add the batteries to the first one. So we have 1 battery, so that's 106, and we're going to multiply by yellow. So that's 3 from the table there. Okay. This next one, meitnerium, we're going to add the number of ports. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ports. So that brings this to 115, and we're going to multiply by white, which is 6. You can see that over here. And for the one with a number, we're going to add the number of indicators. That's 1. So 106 times red, which is 1. You can see that over here. And to this one, lithium, we are going to add the sum of the digits in the serial number. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 8 is 20. So we have 23. Times blue is 5. You can see there, blue is 5. So, come on over here, start typing in our stuff. 106 times 3 plus 115 times 6 plus 106 plus 23 times 5. Could have done 106 times 1, but it wouldn't have mattered. And then it says to subtract 118 until you get in the range 1 and 118. So that's effectively subtract 1 modulo 118 plus 1. Whoops, plus 1. And the answer is 49. If you don't believe me that it works this way, you can actually do it exactly the way that it says in the manual, which is to repeatedly subtract 118, let's say 10 times, and there you go, you still get 49. But I think this is nicer because you don't have to guess as to how many times you need to subtract it. It's just -1 mod 18 plus 1 always, and it's 49. So we'll go down here, and if you're waiting to tell your diffuser what the answer is, you can highlight it, and then you won't forget that the answer is that one. And you can even describe to your diffuser where that is in the table. Like you can say from the the corner here where boron is. You can go down the fourth one down from there.
He had defeated the machine.
So there we go. There's a solved module. Let's do one more. This is a very easy module. Go ahead and clear our highlights here. And we'll do this again. Scandium in green. Promethium in green. Atomic number 1 in yellow. And what is that? Lutetium? No, Lawrencium. Lawrencium in yellow. Highlight that down there. It's my sound pack maker alarm clock. I love sound pack maker. Okay. So, I'm going to add the number of batteries to the first one. Oh, let's find our atomic numbers first. Scandium. Promethium. Atomic number 1. Very funny. Lawrencium is down there. So, this one is 21. Promethium is 61. This one is obviously 1, and Lawrencium down there is 103. So add the number of batteries, there's 1, so 22 times green, which is 4. To this one we add the number of ports, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's 67, times green again, 4 again. To this one, we add the number of indicators. So that is 1, so we get 2 times yellow, which is 3. And to this one we add the sum again, and the sum was 20. So this is 123 times yellow, which is 3. So we'll come on over here and do the math. 22 times 4 plus 67 times 4 plus 2 times 3 plus 123 times 3. That's 4. Okay, answer is 23. So we'll come in here and we'll find 23. We can describe where it is to our diffuser if we want. It's the 5th column and the topmost one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The topmost one should be this one.
He had defeated the machine.
So that's it. That's how you do periodic table. The highlights actually do look kind of okay in with the full colors on, because I made these fairly light colors so that it would actually still be highlightable. Of course, you can use more obvious colors too if you wanted. Could even do black or whatever. But yep, you could also do it with without the colors. So either way, that's periodic table. It's very simple. And thank you for watching.